Hello everyone, this is my week 9 discussion, and the first question in this discussion is, how important is another person's dress to you, and does it affect your response to them? On a professional level, I would say that another person's dress is definitely important to me, because I think that everyone should try to the best of their ability to follow the dress code and guidelines that their business or organization puts into place. So if I were to encounter an individual in a job that did not dress appropriately, such as wearing jeans in an instance that they should have been wearing a suit, it would not make me pass judgment on them, but it would give me the impression that they were not as concerned with making themselves look professional or their business look professional or their image as a whole. They just may not have cared as much about their job, and sometimes I think that that is important to make sure that you are showing your employer that you're willing to dress the part to make their organization look good just as well as yourself. The second question in this discussion is, what other characteristics or features affect your opinion of people in the workplace? I would say that another characteristic of people that would affect my opinion of them would be how they treat people, how they respond to the people around them. Whether it be a coworker or a customer, if I see someone that is not respecting the opinions and things of the people that are around them, it's going to make me want to distance myself from them. If I see a customer that is interacting with another one of my coworkers and is being incredibly disrespectful and impatient and not giving the employee a chance to work with them, it's going to make me want to avoid that customer because they're not going to be understanding or be willing to, work with the business in any way. Same way with a coworker. If I'm around a coworker that is known for not, listening to the people around them or respecting the opinions of others, it's going to make me want to distance myself and not communicate with them if they aren't going to respect the thoughts and opinions of other people, because I think that that's incredibly important, especially when it comes to working as a team in a business. The third question in this discussion is, as a manager, how would you handle an employee who is offensive or distracting to a coworker? As a manager, and to find a resolution to this situation, the first thing is going to be figuring out if this is an intentional or an unintentional disturbance in the workplace. If this is something that this employee is doing intentionally, I think that it would be important to pull them aside privately, to not embarrass them in front of everyone, and discuss the situation with them in a respectful way, and ask them if there was anything that I could do to help them personally resolve this issue and move forward. If this was something that this individual was not doing intentionally, if it was accidental or just it was natural and it happened, I would work with the people around them or the team as a whole to see what I could do to make it easier for them to cope with it and to deal with it, and what I could do to make it easier. Because there's certain situations where things may not be able to be fixed, but there can be changes made to make it a little bit easier for everyone involved. And I think that's it, so thank you for watching.